This is the one. I can feel it. This is the one. All right. Hi, I'm Billi Maddox, and you might know me from just a second ago when I introduced myself. I like making things, but I also like to make fun. Oh, wait. Sorry, just the one camera. I thought maybe we could do like a infomercial walk and talk kind of thing, but I'm the only one here. Anyway, whatever. I like making things, but I also like to make fun of making things. What are some of my go-tos? Sci-fi props, bookbinding, Lego, those things. So if you're into that, maybe consider subscribing. And if you're really into that, tell a friend. No pressure. Everyone calm down. Nothing's wrong. No pressure. Thanks.